So first of all, I would like to congratulate you and your company with this strategic deal with Fogtech.
Thank you.
So yeah, thank you so much, sir. So I'm asking you some questions like, can you please share more details about the collaboration with Fogtech came about and what led to this strategic deal?
Yeah. See, traditionally as a NBC bearings, we were supplying bearings to Indian Railway. From last 4 or 5 years, when it was announced by the Honorable Prime Minister that they are bringing the new technologies in India, so we also thought that how we can expand our business portfolio. So we selected some of the products apart from the bearings, and the fire detection system and suppression system one of the important technology where we can work together. So we tied up with a very renowned company like Fogtech, and we'll sell their product in Indian Railway and give the services to them.
Thank you.
So we have a roadmap. We want to be 1 billion in next few years. As a part of the roadmap, we are also looking at new products for the Indian Railways. When we started working on that along with them, all of the teams, we also came across technologies. That's where we identified Fogtech as very reliable technology partner.
Yeah,
That's how it is.
yes. So my next question is this: how does this partnership with Fogtech align with NBC Bearings' long-term vision and strategy in the railway sector?
I kind of partially answered that in the beginning. So as I said, so we have a target to be 1 billion.
Yeah.
We've taken up an initiative, right, a strategy that will be 1 billion in the next few years. The railway is a very important part of this one. The kind of growth which is happening here with the Make in India and the initiatives in the railway from the Visionary PM. So that's a very important part. And accordingly, this is also a very important part of our product portfolio. So therefore, Fogtech, where Fogtech comes in. So, in our endeavor to serve Indian Railway more and more with the high-end technological products, so we decided to have a venture with the world-renowned companies who has got the niche technologies for passenger amenities and other segments. So, that is the way we make forward progress in tying up this Fogtech bearings, Fogtech for fire detection system.
Yeah, I think it must be very great deal. Okay, so my next question is, could you provide some insights into the specific areas within the railway sector that the partnership with Fogtech will focus on?
So, see, the product which will be provided by Fogtech as a joint with NBC, they will be focused primarily on the railroad passenger segment. So, initially we will enter into the passenger coaches, and then we'll have the forward integration into the metro coach, and lastly we are targeting the locomotives also.
So, what specific benefits and advantages do you anticipate for NBC Bearing and Fogtech through this collaboration, and how will this benefit manifest in the railway industry?
Yeah. So this tie-up is going to be benefited both the companies in way of that they have got the technology. Fogtech has got the very advanced and niche technology in fire detection and suppression system, and they are the world leaders, one of the world leaders. And NBC has a very vast experience working with railways. We have a very wide network, so their product can be easily get the entry into the Indian market, and we can fast progress. So purpose of both the companies can be survived. And on the other hand, our customer railways who are starving for this kind of technologies will be benefited by the fast introduction of safety systems in Indian railway. Meanwhile, it's a classic joining hand of technology and the service capability, right? They have the technology, and we have the capability to develop it here because we are
Collaboration of technology and everything. Yes, sir.
That's how it is.
Okay, are there any groundbreaking technologies or solutions that Fogtech is bringing to the partnership, and how do you see them transforming the railway sector?
Yeah, I mean, they are bringing in the best because we were there in their office, right? I mean, we saw this. They're one of the best in the mist-based fire suppression systems. Yes. I think detailing.
No problem.
Yeah, they are having the technology which have been incorporating all the requirements of the Indian Railway, and since this is a proven technology throughout the world, in Europe, in America, they are providing a lot of systems, and they are working very satisfactorily without any failure till date. So I think Indian Railway is going to be benefited as we are facing a lot of issues related to the fire detection and fire related issues. So that is the way we are going to be benefited for Indian Railways.
So this collaboration will definitely bring a very big changes.
Big changes to the Indian Railway, and apart from that, cost competitiveness will be there, because we are going to serve the railways with a very high vigorous and
As you rightly said, the target is to bring change.
Yes, sir.
That's what we are working on, yes.
So can you provide some financial details about the partnership, such as scale of investment, revenue expectations, and any potential impact on NBC Bearing financial performance? Is there
Too early, I guess. Too early to comment on that. We just signed an agreement and we worked on quite a bit of detail, which cannot be unfortunately shared as of now. But yes, we'll let people know often once it matures. But we just signed an agreement. We'll work on those things. But it's going to be benefiting both of us. And apart from us, of course, the overall general public here.
Yes.
we in fact we see a very bright future for NBC and Fogtech both, and we are targeting very good market share in this segment. So I think this is sufficient information as of now. Yeah.
How do you foresee the partnership with Fogtech contributing to the growth and development of railway industry in India and globally? I think it is okay.
So globally they've been there, I guess, so they have been there globally. So they are a German company and very decent one, very technology oriented. In India, I guess, yes, this is one of the sectors we identified and we said we'll work on. It's going to be, because we will be growing in this one, because this is one of the very important part of it for the safety of people also. And therefore we are also there right now. I think we're going to be going in this one. You want to add something, please?
Yeah, when Indian Railways has embarking a journey of high-speed trains, so when we go shift from the medium and low speed to the high speed, we need to have more and more safety equipments equipped with in the rolling stock, so that any eventualities can be avoided. So that is a very important technology required by Indian Railway, and it must be deployed.
Given the significance of this collaboration, what opportunities and challenges do you anticipate from NBC Bearing and Fogtech in the railway sector? Is there any?
We don't see
I don't think so, because as I said, so they are bringing in very niche technology. We are almost kind of an export in distribution servicing. I think it's going to be win-win. So why should we have an issue as of now?
Okay, my last question is there a roadmap for further collaboration or expansion beyond this initial partnership with Fogtech, or is this a one-time strategic move?
We're talking about Fogtech, this is the one, but otherwise, more beyond Fogtech also we're looking at many more new technologies, basically, looking at the roadmap for the Indian Railways, which they have now come up with, the kind of investment they're doing. We are going to be tying up with more and more so technology in the future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I hope this partnership will bring a lot of changes in railway sector, and very best. All the best for you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.